Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So in the previous video I told you I got these palettes from TK Maxx, so the neon orange and the neon green, and we're going to do some swatches on them today. So we're going to be doing these swatches first. The Huda, we'll start with the Huda neon green because that's going to be my favourite, I just know it. Then we'll do the neon orange, and then in another video we'll do the Cara Beauty Daydream palette. So let's go over to the vanity, guys. Right guys, so we're just going to do the swatches on this Huda neon orange, and I want to do the comparison at the end because I'm sure this shade down here, I'm sure that shade down there is exactly the same that's in the neon green. So let's get into it. These shades, guys, I bought it more for the shimmers. I definitely wouldn't have paid £27 for this because these shades aren't really me. But hopefully we can do some really nice looks with it. Right, so we're going to start off with this orange matte here and work our way across. So that's what that one looks like. That's quite nice. Considering I don't like oranges, that's really nice. And then we're going to go in with this orange here. Don't know how much you're seeing. Ooh, that's pretty. It's really pretty, in fact. Then we're going to go in with this red tone here. Yeah, that's more central. We're going to go in with that red tone there now. Ooh, that's super smooth. I even like that one. That's nice. My taste might be changing in eyeshadow, guys. Then we've got this pink raspberry shade here. Which doesn't seem as pigmented as the other ones I've tried so far. Then we've got like a orangey peach tone there. The matte's super smooth. Can't grumble about the mattes. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. That shade, and that shade would really go well together. Then we've got this really fuchsia pink. Ooh, look at that, guys. That's me out my comfort zone. And then we're just on the bottom row. So the very light orange here. That's that one. And then we've got this shade here. And then we've got the last shade, which looks the exact same shade as what's in the neon green, which is that one there. I'll be a bit annoyed if it is. It seems more pigmented from what I can remember. That shade there. Let's swatch the shade in the neon green. Let's just wipe that off. Let's pop them together. Can you see? I don't know. Yeah. Can you see that one there at the top and then that one there at the bottom? I think they're the same shade, guys. Let me just swatch the neon green one. The eye. They're the same shade. Dang it! So I'm only getting 2 shimmers in there that I don't already have. Oh well, never mind. At least I've got a backup if I ever run out, and I know that I'll really like that green. This is really, really pretty. More prettier than I would have thought. I will use this. I know I will. So guys, this concludes the video. It's really, really pretty. I'm really happy with both of the palettes. I thought I'd get this and regret it once I'd done the swatches, but it's a really pretty orange palette. Who knows, maybe I'm actually getting into oranges. If that's the case, I'm going to buy the Colourpop Orange You Glad, make a Colourpop order. But yeah, this is really beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy. So we will be using these. I just don't know when. I don't know when I'll be using them, just because I've got so many Colourpop palettes that I need to use. Guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.